Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll share my favorite soup recipe. It's perfect for weight loss and definitely a comfort food for winters. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Take a pan or pot, whatever is handy for you. You can add spray oil, roughly about 10 to 20 sprays. I'm using olive oil, just 1 spoon, just enough to cook the spices. I cook my spices at the start and let them sizzle on oil as this enhances the flavors of the spices and make the food even more delicious. Once the oil is warm, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Cumin seeds are also called zeera in Hindi. Cumin seeds are really good for your health. They promote digestion. The most common traditional use of cumin seed is for indigestion. Cumin seeds are naturally rich in iron. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin contains 1.4 mg of iron, or I can say 17.5% of the RDI for adults. Once the cumin seeds start to sizzle and splutter, wait only about 5 seconds for them to turn just a shade or two darker. Do not let them burn, as they will become little pungent and bitter. Now I'm adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix the spices well and cook them for about a couple of seconds. Now I'm adding 2 medium-sized diced potatoes. I like to roast them a bit first before I add other ingredients. Here I'm using mixed vegetables. They are frozen from Asda. There are 2 different packs that I'm using here. One is vegetable mix and one is cauliflower mix. Add about 1.5 teaspoon of salt. And roughly about half a cup of pasta. Little bit of pasta in soup will keep you full for longer. Now fill the pan with water. I'm using boiled water here. Here I'm adding 1 green chili, which is optional. If you do not like too spicy, then please avoid green chilies. To make this soup even more healthy, I'm adding extra protein in it. For which I'm using quorn meat-free chicken style pieces. I'm adding garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic if you want to. Now cover with lid and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. I'm going to garnish it with red chopped onions. I love red chopped onions. I will also add fresh chopped coriander. So by now you must have noticed I love spicy food. Therefore I'm going to add a little bit of more spice in it. I'm using Encona extra hot chili sauce. I am very hungry, so I'm going to go and enjoy my soup. I hope you also liked it. If you did, please do hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for further videos. Thanks for watching.